Oh my goodness. Ha! I totally forgot to hit record. How silly of me. Okay. Wow, I've been talking all this time. All right. Well, virtually, that works out. I took the paper off of the laser cut pieces. So they're going to be kind of already dangly, so I don't want to add a lot to them, but I was going to grab ear wires. So let me see if they're readily available. I don't want to, I'm going to pause and come back. All right, I'm back. So here's the pieces we're going to work with. And right now we need some pliers and ear wires. Okay, make sure they're the same length because it doesn't look like they are. Maybe they are? Nope. One's shorter, one's longer. That happens. Alright, got a second one here. Alright. Looks like the longer one won. Alright, let's get this party started. Let's get this party. So they have their Athena cast pieces are very nice. This is like a gunmetal, not like silver. I don't know if you can see that. It's more of a gunmetal versus a silver. I don't believe I have any gunmetal ear wires though. So we'll just get the body. And now we're gonna attach the head. Hopefully fit on both on one jump ring. Looks that way. Okay, we got one cat body put together, and we can put his head jump ring on. Maybe. There it goes. I'll stick the ear wire on that. Remember, side to side, not up and down. It looks like it's closed. And look at that. One cute little kitty cat earring. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So cute. And here's number 2, kitty cat earring. Body. My body lies over thee. Okay. So I wanted to hang the opposite of that guy, I guess. So that makes sure that the ear wire goes on this way. No, hopefully that's the right way. Guess we'll find out. It's tight in there. Ah, bugaboo. Okay, I think I got it. There we go, cute little earrings on my cute little plate from the beach. We'll put the plate the right way then. Cute little kitty cat earrings. Cute little kitty cat earrings. Meow. All right, friends. Thanks for joining me. I'll make hopefully something fun with all the rest of these beads and share it with you guys. All right, have a wonderful day.